Hey guys, I will show you my slime update, but this slime was just like shampoo slime. Oh man, but this is not that slime that you can hold and you can pull. It's very sticky, so avoid not be increased with it. So what are we waiting for? Let's get straight to the video. So here's my slime. Nice, but not that clear. Some server that not that clear, but very glossy. So let me just straighten it on. I'll be back when I have a good angle. So yeah. So here it is. I just zoom it in a little bit. See, it's very nice. You cannot touch it anymore, but it's gonna close right now, but I don't know why I got what is that? And I'm sorry also for the background noise. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. And also guys, I'm using a new camera because it is a different from the last video. Please comment below and like this video. Make sure to subscribe so you can see like a rooster or something to mix slimes or like you know what I mean. So I'll be back when nothing happens. So that's all to this video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash the like button. See you in the next video. Bye. And also guys, if you want to make me a squishy arm video, please let me know in the comments box below.